That sound.
What's up, guys? And in today's video,
We're gonna, bro. What is this sound?
Yeah, bro. I just heard. We kept hearing this random ambient sound, and it was like. That was really weird.
It's doing that to me. Ow.
Yeah. You might.
How did you get it away?
I don't know, no, bro. But it also happens in the planetarium too. So as you can tell, we're trying to make a legalized nuclear bomb, but by the title, yeah. So here you go, 3, 2, 1, and
I'm trying to grab. Actually, you wanna go to planetarium after this?
Yeah, let's go to planetarium after this and get our research points.
Yeah. Which kind? Which one?
Wait, well, what do you mean? What do you mean?
Like, are we going to the planet one or the other one?
The planetarium research point place.
Oh yeah, that one. Okay. Then you wanna wait, do you have broccoli? Cause I know a way to get up there.
Yeah, I do have broccoli, but I have a better way.
All right. Is it through the mines?
Nope, that's not.
Oh.
So now, I guess since I don't have my RPG, I guess we just gotta. Flint and steel. 3, 2, 1. Flint and steel.
Well, I did this. Flint and steel.
Oh no, the noise. The noise. The noise.
The noise. They gave me back.
Okay, guys. So here you go.
Good. We didn't die.
I'm recording a video. Okay, so like. Okay. All right. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna get myself a bag. I'm going to put it in with a rocket launcher, and
I need a rocket launcher.
Take 2 of those, and then take 2 of those. Okay, so bro, put 2 of these inside of your backpack. Okay. All right, so now get both of those. Come over here.
I'm broke.
3, 2, 1, go.
Flint steel.
Where are you? Where'd you go?
I'm down here.
Flint and
steel.
Don't say tung 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 sahur, whoever you are.
Please.
I'm recording a video, so I'm recording a video, so please do not swear.
Bro, it's so bad. Tung sahur is just a meme.
Bro, what the heck?
Good.
Alright, come over here. Okay, so you're gonna want to be really careful here. Okay, so.
That is very right. Didn't see your bullet. I wanted it to me for my look like. I did this before.
Yep, follow my lead.
No.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
No.
Bro, that was so funny. Holy research points, bro. Bro, guys, I have 5 research points now. Let's go. Guys, so I just exploded the research point area with my rocket launcher, and I just gained bags.
Bro, please give me.
About that, I kind of already got all of them. I'm an orbiting planet now. Tung 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 sahur. Elotico gum gum dum 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 tung 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 tung. Look, it's a planet. Doom 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 doom. Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 sahur. Gagang gang gang gung 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 sahur. Gamung kapung. Let me out!
Come down here, I'm gonna kill you with one hit.
No! No!
I'm getting help down, aren't I?
Man! Let me in the fuel. Oh yes! I gotta run! I gotta hide.
So I can't kill you. Dude, you have dynamite unlocked.
Yes, I'm pretty sure that everyone does, of course. How the hell am I supposed to get out? Tung 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 sahur. No. Tung tung. What is tung tung tung? You may be asking. What is tung tung tung? You may be asking me. Well, it's amazing. It's something very freaking amazing.
Are you recording?
Yes, I still am. Haha. I'm going to be getting myself a hip slot now. Seriously, bruh?
And broccoli. Sahara.
Bro, what the freaking hell is Lobo doing? I think a little bro. I think Lobo crashed out too hard. POV, when Lobo's tung 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 inner self gets crashed out too much.
Hello.
It's the tung tung guy. Tung tung tung's coming after me.
I didn't even climb. I've been climbing 5 quadrillion years. No.
Oh no, it's tung tung guy. It is now time for the tung tung sahur. I mean sahur. No. Tralalelo tralala. Porcodilo porcola. Gotta go. Tralalelo tralala. Porcodilo porcola. La 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 la. Porcodilo porcola. Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 sahur. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Where are you? Are you on that track?
Tralalelo tralala porcodilo porco. Never mind, I'm not saying that. Tralalelo, no tralala, poopy, 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 pa. Toralalelo, toralala, poopy, 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 pa. Papara, 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 paparazzi, poopy, pa. Paparazzi, parapapa, paparazzi, pupu, pa. Parapira, parupizza. Lora, karindi, pa. Okasini, kurokida. Akasini, torokida. Tuki, duki, duki, ra. Shaka, rankatina, tarelala. Okay, so. Yo, what's up, my tralalelo tralalas? How's it going, my pokodilo pokola? Never mind. Okay.
Tung, tung, tung.
Tung, tung, tung. Tung, tung, tung. Okay, bro, what am I even saying? Tralalelo tralala.
Okay, bro, you wanna go back to planetarium?
I'm trying to get to my right hip slot. Oh shoot, my battery is low. Well, guys, that's probably gonna be it for today's video. Tactical right hip slot. When I get this should... No, it feels so... Wait. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's freaking go. Open the door. Open the door.
Why go to the technology place? Hello.
Alright, guys.
I'm gliding.
Ah.
I'm gliding like Fortnite.
It's the final.
Hello.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
No. I just did.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Is that
Bro, I
it?
was recording a video, bruh. Man. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Duh. I just gotta say one more thing.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, also do that. But how about you subscribe to my channel? It's called AML Rock.
I already do.
Oh, you already am? Alright.
Yeah.
Peace out. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Okay,
fell.
see you guys later. Bye. Peace
See you guys
out.
later. Peace.
Peace out.
Enjoy the
everyone.
video.
Yes.
Subscribe. I can see that face of yours. Subscribe. Now. Now.
Get it! Alright. See you guys later. Goodbye. See you guys later.